Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Uconnect system in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, let's prepare for a smooth update. Make sure your vehicle is parked in a safe location with the engine running to maintain power throughout the process. You will also need a USB drive with at least 4 GB of space, formatted to FAT32. Finally, have your vehicle's 17-digit VIN ready. Next, we'll download the necessary software. Go to the official Uconnect website on your computer. Input your 17-digit vehicle identification number to find any available updates for your specific Jeep Grand Cherokee model. Once found, download the update file, which is typically a compressed zip file. After downloading, extract its contents directly onto your prepared USB drive. Now, let's install the update in your vehicle. With the engine running and the vehicle in park, insert the USB drive into one of your Jeep's USB ports. Your Uconnect screen should display a prompt showing both your current and the new software versions. Confirm the new version is higher, then follow the on-screen instructions to begin. The installation typically takes between 20 and 30 minutes. Once the installation is complete, your Uconnect system will reset itself. After it powers back on, wait for about 60 to 90 seconds for a confirmation window to appear. This window will display the software version numbers. Confirm they match, then select No to finish. You can now safely remove the USB drive and enjoy the enhanced performance and new features of your updated Uconnect system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.